what happened now akanani stress la ikhona.
And since we're not saying this because we're exposing you or anything, this thing it's coming out of your consent, because I know you as responsible. I know your sister is very responsible,
loving, kind, sweet, and everything. But let me tell you something. Yabona kula mhlaba esiphila kuwo. If voodoo works, if it works, I won't lie to you because of the way things happened. Umntana ke firstborn waba disabled simbone sikeqala yabona, but to find out ukuthi umntana wawiswe esibhedlela.
Ndiyakhumbula so story.
Yes, and
siphelele episode cousins, because I remember having a conversation nozinzo ba lo mntana I problem wawiswe esibhedlela, and then I remember ngathi wayiswe esibhedlela.
Yes.
And
uzinzo attended many courts. Umntana wazaba na 7 years since I attend ama-court and basuile ratong and everything.
Yes.
It was last year she was supposed to get imali zomntana ama-million for isibhedlela. That's when izinto zahlanga. As I'm going back to the voodoo,
just when she was about to get imali, and then abantwana babathatha.
At the end of the day, stepmother is the one or responsible for ukunakekela abantwana and everything. And then after that year, you could see some kamela 12 mali. She changed because I pushed her too much. She even left abantwana bahamba nayo baba abantwana bayohlala eDavidton bashiya abantwana endlini qoqa impahla.
Upapa uhlala eDavidton.
But yeah, uthole transfer sebenzela that side. But now the way things happened, it is everything imali evil. We have to accept it. Imali ayikaphumi kufuneka isignature yakhe unless afa.
And uthi yena andizunikeza ngesignature xa ninganinika abantwana bami.
And still lento abamenza yona, it's not possible ukuthi angabafuna abantwana bakhe currently. But what
does she acknowledge the problem that she has? Because you know why I'm asking this. When I know when you've seen me as this person who's got her life from day one. Yes, now when I was in part of your life every day,
yes, I know.
You remember I was a drunkard.
Yes.
And now when you look back, when you think about it, do you have hope ukuthi nayo uzoba right?
Yeah. You know, as being bendicho before, no one will do something about the life in yako and prosper. They like it or not. Siswami is praying somebody every time you prayer, but even though uThixo samnikeza le preparation ukuthi the day use Davidton, and the day azomnikeza that life back nabantwana bakhe uzoba ngasafuna utshwala.
So eDavidton uhlala endlini kamamakho?
Baby daddy wamthatha.
Yes.
Bayana yele la bahlala khona.
Yeah.
Mayifika le baby daddy wamchintshela abangani sekabhizi nabangani bakhe and everything. So sesama was traumatized. Sesama kaseli is because of nje.
Yes,
there's a lot uluza abantwana bakhe
ngabe
baby daddy mchintshele and every one currently the only thing I feeling I think amenza better utshwala.
Akaze makabuye ekhaya kaloku.
They tried this year ugogo wamthemekeshon 2-3 months back. Wabuyisa bamxelela naye sizokubekela le lomkhukhu lo uzoba wakho uhlale endawe right waza nempahla. There is a guy omtholile ngapha ya
eDavidton.
Yes, currently bekanakekela umama wakhe, mama rat guy Mrs. Bedlele. So mama rat guy wafona ukuthi ngicela ngisesibhedlele tomorrow. Wahamba ya. And then my stepmother was willing athi ngifuna ukuthi any month mayiphela ngihambe na ngimthengele impahla ezifresh ngimnakekele. They won't mind ukuthi even if as long as asejardini adinga maybe leyo beer bamthengele leyo 6-pack, they won't mind. But now umuntu siswami
we adult
funeka wena
when I kwenzela inhloni lando, because I remember Lindo wanibhaleli later go era 2014 wathi kum, I don't know who you becoming, I don't like this person, uyangembarasa, but what I want you to know is that you don't belong here. Lindo mna manifested that I don't belong as one of you. What, you are a different person. You don't deserve to be here. You don't have to be here. But this person, I don't like her. Do you feel like that? Like magata, like you know,
like as to say everything, you know. what I told myself, I kind of even tried ukuthi why singatholi somebody spiritual healer ukuthi mhlawumbe abe na something esingamphuzisa yona and then ayigabhe mhlawumbe angasaphinda funa utshwala. I told them one thing, kule mpilo esiphila kuyo akuna mistake about our reasons why we are doing things. That when the time comes, you will stop at your own. But no one will change you.
And Lunga, just to add on that, I think baba ukhuliswe wena endaweni epractice amayeza nendondondondon. Ubuzo ulandela leyo nto leyo. So nabo abazali bakhe abakhulanga ngalonto leyo. It wasn't gonna work.
Yes, it wasn't gonna work. But what I believe in, ukuthi one day things will come to line. I promise you, Nas. I will come back and confess that ukuthi now my sister is this and this and this because of until yena I believe to a change.
Yes.
And then everything will happen.
Yes.
Until I recognize that my kids needs me.
Yes.
You understand? Until I recognize that my family loves me. Yes. Those who were saying they don't like the way Pilanga corner, it was because they loved me, yes. Not because there was a problem now. Even now, when I'm calling my sister I don't say Mara now push her too much. I'm just saying in
yeah.
It's not because of I want to, but from the bottom of my heart, I know ukuthi kwamela be comfortable ngempilo yakhe.
Okay, it was scattered. I can relate. Utera diyafonela 2019. Unyiswe ngumphakathi akasena mazinyo Utera. Right? Timbalekisele Ratong. Fine. Siyabuya the following day athi angisazifuna apha ngifuna irehab. Kufika bothabo base block 6 umphakathi uzomlanda.
Again.
Umoshile phela bamosha ngama section and ngokandithi yena bengu mastermind. Uthuma bo Aroni abantwana bayana yena akayi yena ufika scout situation afike njenge yaboni bayibiza ni money heist, read the situation and then you debrief everybody umbeke so bamkhupha fine bayomvalela eblock 7 yabona kula emachineni yakho kwamahlomule mahlomula is there ngihamba nabo uthaba uthi Silindile if we knew ukuthi umntana kokwenu lo kuba singenanga the way singene ngayo kokwenu if we knew ukuthi kokwenu apha fika phayana kukho abanye abayi2 kushube nani ngazi ukuthi umuntu uyachoke ibattery yabona izinto ezenzeka eTV dithiza seTV bamchoke umntana sekhaya wachama wakaka. I was just begging for his life enyanyilo mahlomula bebafuna apha bamoshile and ngokuba yakhuphana ukuthi ngulo I was just begging for his life. Now a reason that I'm bringing this I'm going back kulento echo yoba umuntu uyamiyeke life ina ndimthathe ndimse rehab eRandfontein. You know ukuthi after 2 weeks 3 weeks ngihlale deep blue for that time. I made sure ukuthi makuthiwa ama families I visit I was there because I didn't want him to feel that thing ukuthi akanabani.
Yes,
you understand imthengele ilanto le coupon yakhona ukuthi makafuna icuba makakhaleke snack you know to tell him that I believe in you. Damqala phansi from underpen everything toiletries ukuthi naye ngohluki dafonelo kathulwile esikolweni uyaculwile rehab yaxothwa wawoka from Randfontein to endlini makafika endlini athi andifuna balapha lo ikubanzo relapse mbizele deep proof find out akana ID lo muntu lona ndiyazi ID yakhe isephi ndiye home affairs bamenzele verification letter excuse me no senzele into before rehab ndithi masambe sekhaya 19 20 21 22 23 ebengasachayi August ndiye ekhaya ndifika urelapsile fika urelapsile ndifika nimthengele impahla nimthengele ifoni ngixolela amasimba ukuthi hey mina unganimoshi why unimoshi ngixolela the way to get off you know looking at my brother hallucinating mntana sikhaya mahlangana nezidulu yaphahla mama tata yababiza mina ndingusisi wakhe makafika endaweni enibona athi yeah you fucking embarrassed about me fuck shit khona isilungu nami and now umntana sekhaya kona ngizoyenza and I'm at that point where I said God, you know I've tried.
Yes.
Umuntu miyeke abe kule nto akuyo. You understand? Because I really don't know. Because umntana sekhaya waqala after siswelekelwe i-brother yethu encinci. You understand? I don't know what he went through. So I understand le ndaba ukuthi uthi uyofika kula point uba let things be. You just anticipate for better days. You understand? Yazi ukuthi ngoDisemba phansi wanibulala.
Oh.
Lunga. Uthi ndimfunele inkabi. Mna. Ndimqashele inkabi ndifuna umbulala. Endifuna apha athi it's either namhlanje ligazi lami or lelakho. So, and it's those things ukuthi you ask yourself, is this voodoo? Because my brother was so smart. And then ubana lento ba isisandla somuntu esokanye is someone going through a mental breakdown and iyansebenza lanto leyana. You understand? But it's those things njengoba usitsho nawo ba you become in a point where you're waiting for better days and let them be. And ngoku yacho ne so la kuchoni langa.
Yes.
Sakubuyi nkomo. La kucinga ngawe. La kuchoni langa. This is the part. Ndizohamba ndikufune ezibhedlela nasestradweni. Yabona makufika
ezibhedlela nasezidrongweni
ndide ndikufumane. That's me, because right now andimazi buphi. That's me.